Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be replacing the fog light bulbs inside the JDM one-piece headlights and the DA. This is your fog light bulb. It is I'm not sure what kind of bulb it is, but I'm replacing it with these H3s. So yeah, take this bracket off and put in a new bulb. Left side is JDM, right side is H3 bulbs. It's a little bit shorter than the JDM one, and the connectors are different. JDM one has this slide-in pin connector type. The US H3 has a spade type, but everything else looks about the same, just the tallness of the bulb, but I think it'll work fine. For the connection, you can just slide it in. Slide that spade in that little slot. Should be fine. New bulb. JDM bulb. First thing you want to do is remove these rusty ass Phillips screws. This is the fog light cover. Careful not to drop them. Just a little tab right here that you can hold. There's two clips right here. Just do it like that. Oh, that was a little crusty. There we go. Hold up, I'm about to put you guys down. Slide this piece of rubber back. You'll see the connector. Just pull it out. Pull that in. Okay. And same thing. Push down, pull it up. Remove this. You don't have to splice nothing. It ain't moving. That's it. Just put it back in. Awesome. That's how you do it, guys. And also, if you guys have this Foglight cover for the passenger side, for the JDM one-piece headlights, or I think even eBay ones were, let me know, because I am missing mine. And if you do have one, let me know in the comments down below, and then let me know how much you want for it, and help me out. I got some Gorilla tape or whatever this pink duct tape is, just to cover the hole. That's why I had to change the bulb out, because they blew, because I guess moisture got into it. So yeah, appreciate you.